Hi everyone, welcome to a tutorial video on GoHighlevel, the ultimate all-in-one platform for managing your business. Whether you are a marketer, agency owner, or entrepreneur, GoHighlevel can revolutionize the way you operate with its powerful CRM, automation tool, and marketing features. Dear friend, in this video, I will introduce about partial payment features in GoHighlevel. Previously, end user or customer could only accept full payment through the invoices. There was no provisions of partial payment for the end customers. Now, the customer can pay their invoice partial. These features was introduced. This is very beneficial for the customers. Introducing these features, the customer can pay any amount that is equal or greater than the percentage amount specified from the invoicing dashboard. So first of all, you have to come in your sub account. Under sub account, you will get the payment section, and in payment section, you will find the invoice. In invoice section, you will find the invoice setting. When you go to your invoice setting, then under the options that is payment setting, you have to allow partial payment in your payment settings. Now it is toggled on. Suppose there is no permission in your account, then you have to just permit your partial payment on. Then you can change your percentage, which amount you want to get paid. Then you have to go for setting. Now, any customers who want to get any product or service from your site, suppose there is a e-com site that one of my products, suppose, then he will go to the products and he will get the payment options. My Stripe account is not connected, that's why my payment option is not showing. But here you will get the payment options where the option will come out that partial payment, at least 30% payment, the customer should have to pay. Go High Level is wonderful platform to scale your business. I have got an exciting offer for you. Click the link below to sign up for a 14 days free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your operation and streamline your process. Sign up now. Let's get started on this journey together. Thank you.